Back away. They backed away from the fire. Step forward. He stepped forward with confidence. Beat up. The gang beat him up after the argument. Care for. He cared for the injured boy. Work together. They worked together on the project. Work alone. She prefers to work alone on assignments. Speak up. Please speak up, I can't hear. Quiet down. The teacher asked them to quiet down. Ask over. She asked her friends over tonight. Send away. They sent the guests away early. Listen to. He listens to his teacher. Tune out. He tends to tune out. Camp out. They camp out in tents. Move in. To take up permanent residence. Dry up. The river began to dry up. Fill up. The pool started to fill up. Pick up. She quickly picked up the call. Hang up. She decided to hang up. Eat out. Let's eat out this evening. Eat in. I decided to eat in. Fall down. His hair might fall out. Grow back. His hair will grow back. Apply for. He decided to apply for a job. Turn down. He turned down the job offer. Fill up. She filled up the water bottle. Empty out. He emptied out the bucket. Climb up. He climbed up the ladder. Get down. Please get down from the table.